back. So today, now when I film this, it's Sunday, so So yesterday I got my new work stool that I can wheel around with, but today on Sunday, where my workbench was coming FedEx, my workbench showed up. So we're going to do a video putting my workbench together. It's in 1,000,001 pieces, so this is going to be fun. Got my instructions. I need an 80mm hex wrench. Okay. Alright, so let's get into building it. So I want to point out real quick, all that work bringing my Allen wrenches over here and everything, and they sent one. But I still need to fill up that screwdriver, so I had to go get one of those. All right, let's get back to it. Excited. What happens? Welcome back. So today's Monday. I started doing this yesterday. We had some friends show up yesterday. We knew they were coming, but I wanted to hang out with them, give them my full attention. So this kind of turned into a 2-day build instead of a 1-day. That's okay. But now I need to get it done because my son, my oldest boy, wants to build a leprechaun trap. So I have to build him one of those by Wednesday. Well, by tomorrow afternoon, actually. So we're going to get back into building this, get it done, and then I'm going to switch over and probably start doing the video for the leprechaun trap. Because I think that'll be fun, so to kind of show you how to do it. So let's get to it then, yeah? Okay, my workbench is together and complete. I'm excited now. I have the ability to do anything I need to now. It's pretty neat. There are some issues with it, but for what I paid for it, you know, it'll be all right. Some little kinks to work out, and it'll be okay. But let me give you the tour here. All right, so it's Acacia wood, which is pretty cool. It's a hardwood. These little pegs come out and they go down in these holes, and you can wedge a piece of wood in there. They've also got these things, and these also go in there. They're just little pegs to hold things, which is cool. So I do want to point out something. Apparently, I do have limits on what I'm capable of comprehending at one time. I turned the camera off because I was struggling getting this in here, right? And there's a reason why. Here, I'll show you. So underneath here, there is a washer right there that moves it. See? Okay, well, I had to take that off to get it through this assembly right here. And then put it back on because it's a stopper. But it took me forever to figure that out. I was like, how is that big thing supposed to get through here? And I didn't realize there was a screw underneath it. So, there's that. But I got a big trough right here to put all my stuff in. You know, that's cool. You take the pegs back out. Oh, by the way, here is my new rolly stool. So excited about my rolly stool. So we've got a drawer here. I can put stuff in, pencils, whatever. Little shelf down here on the bottom, which is cool. And I think that honestly about covers it. For the workbench anyway. Now, there are some little things that need to be worked out on this. It also had a few issues when I got out of the box. But that's to be expected from a pre-built workbench. It's fine. Like the hole for the clamp or the vise, the woodworker's vise over here. When it was drilled out, they didn't clean it out, so I had to take my file and file it out. It's very, very level, which is a big plus. The drawer's a little too tight. I'm gonna have to work on that. See, shook the camera. But there, I mean, for the most part, for what I paid for it, I won't tell you the name of it because I don't know how picky that company is. They seem okay, but you don't know. Anyway, I paid about $160 for this workbench, which is not bad for it being hardwood. But you know, in all the reviews I read, people were complaining about like this. They're plastic. Okay. Well, that's fine because I can fix that. If I wanted to, I could take and get like some little like cabinet knobs and put them on here on either end. Or I could just glue these plastic ones on. Either way, it doesn't matter, you know? It's not the end of the world. It can be fixed, and I'm not going to sit here and complain about it. Because this is by far the best workbench I've ever owned, and that's saying a lot because I've had very few workbenches, and most of them were cobbled together mess. So, but that's honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. It is really cool. And my workbench at its highest point, or my stool at its highest point is perfect. And I can do all my work right here. And then put my feet on the ground and I'm not moving. So that's cool. I'm really happy with that. I love the style of the top where it's just pieced together wood. It's beautiful. And that is actually pieced together wood. That's not just one big sheet that's been designed. This is actually put together piece by piece, which makes it really, really cool. So yay! Now I'm not gonna be using cardboard to work on. Now I'm actually gonna be working on some hardwood. Now it won't bend. I can set my camera up. And you guys can watch me do my work without the risk of it falling over, because this isn't going anywhere, and it's the perfect size for what I need. I'm pretty happy with it. I have a desk coming today as well to do my my laptop, my editing and stuff on. I can use it with my laptop. So I have to bring some stuff down here to make room for it upstairs. Yeah. I'm excited. Things are coming together, and I'm glad you all are along for the ride. But that's all I have today. Be sure to hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.